Hello students, we are discussing about the chapter Women, Health and Diseases. Almost half chapter have been completed. Remain it takes like 5 to 6 classes to complete this entire chapter. It's a very big chapter and almost more than 10 marks will cover under examination point of view for public examination point of view. Very important chapter. At least one diagram we can expect, and one 5 marks question, 2 marks question, and also 1 mark question also we can expect. Okay. In last class we are discussing about immunization. Under immunization, 2 points have been left. That is cytokinin barriers and another one is inflammatory barriers. In today's class we can complete this one. Once again I will recall you the last class. Immunization. Okay, what is meant by immunization? Immunization is nothing but it's a immunity only. What is meant by immunity? Immunity is nothing but it's a system which is present in the body to fight against the disease. See, if any disease is going to cause means any microbe is going to attacking into our body and causing a disease. Any microbe is said to be attacking in our body system means, for example, this is a body system. Okay, this is the entire body system. Where immunity is present? Immunity is present on the blood itself only. Okay, immunity means there will be fight against antibody. Blood is going to produce. This is a blood. Blood contains antibodies. That antibodies are going to fight with antigens. See, if any disease is going to attack it means that is by antigens. Antigens are called as pathogens or the microbes. When these microbes are going to attack on the blood cells means the blood immediately it is going to produce respective antibodies. How many antibodies present means there are lakhs together antibodies are present. Okay. These antibodies are going to kill the antigen. Okay. This entire system is called as immunity. Immunity is nothing but it is response to disease or fight with the disease or with the pathogen. That is called as a immunity. When you are small, we are taking a vaccination. Why we are taking vaccination? Vaccination we are going to take to not to get any disease like polio. Polio vaccine we are going to take. Okay, why we are taking polio? Okay, not to cause that polio disease. Polio disease is caused by virus. Okay, if that virus is said to be attacked, it means already we are vaccinated. That vaccine is going to fight against that polio virus. That is called as a vaccination. When we are small, like under age like 5, we are taking that vaccination because to develop our immunity system only. Naturally, our immunity system is also going to fight daily in today life. In this contaminated world, there are a lot of viruses, bacteria are present. All through that microbes, our body is going to fighting. Okay, and not getting the any disease. Our immunity system is very great. It is going to protect our body. Okay, and this immunity, there are 2 types of immunity. That is innate immunity and another one is acquired immunity. Under innate immunity we are discussing. Innate immunity is also called as a non-specific immunity. It is a innate immunity is called as it is an inborn immunity. When we are born, when we are born only, these immunity system are present in our body. It acts as first line of defense to fight against the disease. Under innate immunity, there are 5 types again. First one is physical barriers, physiological barriers, and third one is first one is physical, physiological, and the third one is third one is cellular barriers, fourth one is cytokine barriers, and fifth one is inflammatory barriers. Okay, those three barriers we have completed. First we have to know the word, what is meant by barrier. Barrier is nothing but it is a protection. It is a protecting wall not to attack any disease. Even if it is attacked also, that is going to kill. For example, our home contains a compound wall not to enter any things. Okay. In the same way, our body also contains wall that is called as barrier, that is going to fighting against the pathogens. First, under cytokine barriers, we need to know about interferons. Interferons, shortly they have written as IFNS. In examination, they can ask for you 1 mark. What is define IFNS? Interferons. Interferons are the antiviral proteins. Where they are present? They are present in our body only. They are the antiviral protein drugs secreted by the viral infected cells. Okay, what these are? These are antiviral proteins. Okay, when any virus is said to be attacked, it means they are going to secrete the antiviral proteins that are going to secrete the viral infected cells. Okay, these antiviral proteins, they are going to multiply in our body and dragging and suffocating this viral cells. Viral infected cells will be suffocated, tagging. Okay. Next, what is its use? Okay, it helps in the treatment for diseases like influenza, hepatitis, eye infection. Even it is used in the cancer treatment also. The investigation is going on with these interferons. We can treat the cancer patient also. That is about interferons. This is one type of immunity which will come under innate immunity. Next is inflammatory immunity. You have to know about inflammation. Inflammation is what? Just I will tell generally, when any inflammation, when any burning is going to take place in our body, or any injury is going to take place in our body on the skin, immediately for some time, some days, the recovery is going to take place. They are forming a new cells. Okay, the new cells are going to form because of this inflammatory barriers. This immunity is going to help. For example, any injuries happen when we fall on a ground or anywhere. For some days, that will be cured now. That infected, that injury is going to replace and normal skin cells are going to form there now because of this inflammation. Inflammation is nothing but it is a burning sensation. Inflammation is the body's local response to an infection of an injury. To an infection of an injury, it is going to take place a local responses like redness, swelling, heat, pain, itching. These symptoms are said to be happening in our body, means that is said to be cured because of this inflammatory barriers. What is the reason for this inflammation? Because inflammatory barriers, they are going to secrete some chemical cells, chemical mediators like histamine and prostaglandins. CET or main point of view, it is very important. What are the chemicals which is secreted by inflammatory barriers? Those are two chemicals, histamine and another one is prostaglandins. Prostaglandins. These are the chemical mediators, okay, which is secreted by inflammatory. Antibacterial activity is going to take place. When any injury happens, means there like viscous liquid like substance is going to secrete. That is called as vasodilatation. Okay, that is vasodilatation. There the system is going to activate, that is antibacterial activity is going to take place, which means when injury happens means the number of bacteria are said to be attacked. That bacteria, to kill that bacteria, this vasodilatation is going to happen to cure the bacteria. So oppositely, antibacterial activity is going to take place. There, then bacteria cells will be engulfed and the cell leaf is going to take place. That is phagocyte cells. Okay, this is about today class, very important one. One is cytokinin barriers and another one is inflammatory barriers. In next video class, we can see acquired immunity. Hope you all understood. Thank you.